See Fort George and
Jump.
Interlock.
Put your hands out.
You can't jump far.
Oh, that jumper.
Yeah. Hey,
So that's it.
lock your hand. Lock. Open. Out. Hey. Come on, top up here.
Tazo, get them up in the air.
Yes, yes. Open your hand wide. Open your hand wide. Okay.
Wide?
Interlock.
Put your hand in his fingers. Push it right up.
Yeah, you're good. Oh. Oh. Right up. Oh.
I know.
Yeah, very easy. More up to my son Kyle. One time I just threw him in from there. He wanted to go, he wanted to go. You gonna feed him?
Oh, stop fighting, guys.
Oh, look at that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in Grenada. This is our second time here. It's our second full day here. We arrived Thursday afternoon. I wanted to soak it all in before starting to vlog, but right now we are going to the beach. Say hi. Today was a very exciting day. We went on a tour with, what do they call it? Tours Grenada?
Yeah.
With Tours Grenada, and it was very fun. We used them last year. Our guide was Marcus, and he was amazing, and he's very nice. We had a lot of fun. We got to feed a wild Mona monkey. We visited a waterfall, a chocolate factory. I don't know if it was really a factory. Was it? We visited a chocolate factory.
Yeah.
We learned about the history of Grenada. And yeah, so
Authentic food.
we ate authentic Grenadian food. It was called Oil Down. It was delicious. We met all his family and friends. It was very fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll insert clips after this, and then now we're just gonna go to the beach, snorkel. I will be putting in snorkeling clips after this, and yeah, we've been seeing a lot of cool fish, animals, birds. There's a lot of stray cats and dogs. There's a lot of cool things here. I will probably start recording again after this when I'm getting ready for dinner. So I will see you then. Bye.
Where are we going? I'm saying you're ready. I'm saying you're ready.
Okay, hi guys, Frank is filming me right now, but we have been back from the beach for a while now, and I showered. We showered.
Good fit.
Hold on.
Show them the fit, okay?
Back up a little. We showered and I got ready. I did not want to put makeup on because I'm a little cranky today. And I'm starving, so I want to just go eat. So.
You look tan.
Thank you.
See it in your face.
Yeah, all my freckles are out. My earrings. Here's my fit. My earrings are Linger Jewelry, Linger Co. My dress is Forever 21. Okay. My bag is thrifted from Rosie's Vintage. And these flip-flops are Dolce Vita from DSW. You want to show your fit?
I fit, I'm sunburned.
Doesn't matter. What do you mean? Okay, go. Very cute. Okay.
PacSun. Old Navy. Vans.
Gorgeous.
Sunburn.
Okay, now we are off to dinner. Hopefully we see the cats again. We keep seeing them every night. And we saw Oreo sleeping today, so.
Yeah.
Also, we found out there's another cat. Like, I think there's 3 cats here on the property.
And we saw a mongoose.
Yes, and we saw a mongoose today, so.
They're big.
Yeah, it looked like a large
Giant
ferret. Yeah, it was cute.
Take a sip.
I will try to vlog at dinner. Just of the dinner. I'm not speaking. Bye! We're in a monsoon. I forgot to vlog my dinner at the restaurant, but I had a lamb shank. It was like braised, it was very soft. I also had the seafood platter for the appetizer, it was delicious. And then we shared dessert.
Yep.
What was it?
Chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. With chocolate.
It was,
Loose thing in the middle.
yeah, I think it was peanut chocolate chip cookies, possibly salted. And it had like a chocolate mousse in the middle of each cookie, and it was delicious. And then we walked around. He got a cappuccino. I wanted to pet the cats, but we could only find the orange cat, Creamsicle, and he was distracted by the sushi. So, and I don't think we're gonna go back out because the rain doesn't really seem to be stopping. And that's our update.
Yeah. Check. It's stopping now, but I can't see if it's clear or not.
We'll see. If we end up going out, I will vlog it. If not, that means we're watching a movie and going to bed. Because we got a little tipsy. The rum punch was very strong, so. Yeah. I will talk to you soon.
Try and pinch the camera. What the fuck?
Why is there a crab all the way over here? Like
What the fuck?
Hi guys, we are about to leave for dinner. What is that face? Frank is going to put aloe on me because I'm super burned. This was $25.
$25.
So, yeah, here's my outfit of the night. I'm not putting on makeup because I'm all burned. I think this is from Charlotte Russe, but I don't remember. Closed down in the mall, I don't remember. This is cider. My shoes are Vince Commute. So, here's my outfit. And hopefully we will be able to see the cats again. I saw both of them today and they were so cute. They both let me pet them, so I'm very excited. Now we are going to eat at the Tipsy Turtle, like American bar. It's just American bar food basically. We haven't eaten there yet, but apparently it's very good. They're supposedly open till 2 a.m., but who really knows? Because things change around here, so. But yeah, we're having a lot of fun. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm turning 24, which is scary. We are snorkeling tomorrow, so we're gonna see an underwater sculpture garden, and I'm very excited for that. And then we're going to Flamingo Bay. So I will obviously be vlogging that on the GoPro. So yeah, if I see the cats, I'll vlog, and I'll vlog probably like performances and stuff that are going on. But other than that, I will probably speak to you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, put it. So cute. Guys, it's my birthday. Oh, lens is foggy. I'm 24 today, which is scary. We're on our way to go snorkeling.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Everyone sits for her. Everyone sits for her. I feel it, right? Yeah.
Hi guys, we are back from snorkeling. We had such a fun time. It was raining a little bit and a little bit cloudy, but the water was still so clear.
Yeah.
We saw a lot of parrotfish,
A lot of coral.
eels.
A lot of fish.
Yes, we saw a lot of cool
Variety.
stuff.
GoPro.
We're gonna put the GoPro footage on here, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. At the end it started monsooning, so we were freezing and soaked, but now we are back. I didn't shower yet, I have salty hair still, but we are going to go eat lunch. Also, I walked into this for my birthday. Frankie's so cute, so I'm very excited. So now we're going to lunch, and then we're probably gonna go to the beach or the pool because now the sun's coming out, so a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I will update you guys and try to vlog, but it's kind of awkward carrying around a camera vlogging because that's what happened before. A lady saw me vlogging and I got nervous. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey everyone, it is time for the cake. I'm very excited. It's chocolate.
You can open it?
I guess.
You slowly
Alright,
just
go on.
pop it off.
I'm scared. Like this? It's gonna hurt me?
No, just hold on to it, otherwise you're gonna shoot. Here you go. Yay!
Here it is. Okay, the smoke is gone. Champagne sometimes scares me.
Extra dry. So
Oh.
I don't know what that means, but
That's a no.
I would not gonna like it.
It's bitter, right?
It might be. Oh, it's a lot.
Champagne.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Not bad. Ooh. Wait, let me show the bottle so I remember this. It's pretty good, everybody. Here's the chocolate cake.
Is there anything else? Plastic. Chocolate. You have to be able to eat it. You didn't even get through to it.
I'm good.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life. I feel a mile high.
I ended up changing my dress to this long pink one because I don't want to get eaten alive by mosquitoes. And we are running late, so I have to go to dinner. I will probably talk to you guys after. We'll see.
Before we go in the pool.
Yes, we may go in the pool. Bye.
the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was on the elevation, see I look down. I was thinking that's my heart.
Okay guys, it is time to go. Very sad. Sorry I didn't really vlog and talk to the camera a lot. We were busy doing things, but we have a lot of cool snorkeling footage. And yeah, this trip was very fun. Maybe we'll come back next year. We're either going to go to Curacao or back here to Grenada next year. So we'll see. Also, I sounded a little sick and Frank's coughing a lot. I think we have a little cold, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed. Oh! Did you witness that?
I saw after.
Oh my god!
Did he fly straight to the glass?
Yes! Do you think he's okay? It was a banana squid. Oh my god.
Flew away, right?
Yeah, but I don't know if he's dead on the ground now. Like he full on smushed himself into the glass. Oh my god. And he came out of nowhere. Like where did he think he was going? That was very upsetting. Anyway, a bird just flew into the glass door. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm not sure if this is the end, but if it is, I will see you in my next video. Bye!